Let's start with 3,000. So we can go sum of fx, sum of f4, 3,000. See, we know that this is 60. This is the y-axis, therefore the whole thing is 90. So this would be 30, meaning this will be 60, because 90 minus 30 is 60. There we go. Okay. So we know that's 60, so we get 3,000. And as we can see, sine the x-axis, because it's opposite over hypotenuse, so we can just get 3,000 sine 60, and then 3,000 cos 60. And we're going to add our 800 component. So now obviously same thing. This is 30, we know that. So we just go 800 sine 30. And then we do the same thing down here, but cos. Like that. But now, what direction is our P in? Only the x-axis. So we're going to add P here, just like that. And we know that our 3,000 is in the negative x direction here, just like that. So we will add a negative, and everything else is positive. Yes, this is positive y, and positive x. So, alrighty. We can do our calculations. So, we're going to add this up. So we just go, obviously, the force cannot exceed 2,400, so we'll go 2,400 squared is greater than or equal to, do these calculations out. It's going to be negative 2198 plus p squared plus our y, which is 3,000, cos 60 plus 800 cos 30. It's going to be 2193 squared. So now what we're going to do is we want to isolate this p component. So we'll bring this over here and square root it all, which will also take away this exponent here. So let's get to that. So we'll go square root 24 squared minus 2193 squared. So with the writing, guys, just greater than or equal to negative 2198 plus p, just like that. Better. Okay, now let's do that out. Should be 975, I think. Yes, 975. Just need plus or minus as we square rooted it, or took the square root. Is greater than or equal to negative 2198 plus p. Now, since it's plus or minus and we're dealing with a greater than or less than, let's just add a negative 975 to the other side. So let's do that. Negative 975, and the sign will flip to less than negative 2198 plus p greater than or equal to 975, just like that. Now we need to isolate this. The only thing we have left to move is the negative 2198, so what we'll do is add it to both sides. So 2198 minus 975 is going to be 1223, which is 1,000. 223 newtons is a less than or equal to, so this is our, and obviously P in the middle, then we've added it to the right side as well, so let's do that. Let's go 2198 plus 975, which is going to be less than or equal to 3,173 newtons. So in the end, this will be your answer, because so for the resultant to not exceed 2,400 newtons, P needs to be in between 1,223 to 3,173 newtons. And yeah, you can check your book, but that's the answer. That's a process. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.